The last time I created a YouTube video, it was 6 years ago when I was 18. Please do not watch that video because I was just so out of control. Anyways, I thought I'd pop back into YouTube to show you the new era of rank harder, if you will. In this lesson, I want to focus on a key skill that you need to master as a makeup artist. I'm going to show you exactly how I apply individual lashes step by step. They're honestly one of my favorite lash techniques. They're super lightweight, they look more natural than strip lashes, and they're perfect for bridal clients or mature eyes because they're super comfortable. Plus, you can customize the shape. And by the way, if you're loving these types of tutorials, I teach techniques like this and so much more inside my online makeup course, which you can check out via the link in the description. So let's get started with the tutorial. First things first, I pop a little bit of lash glue onto a metal plate. This just makes it easier to dip and work cleanly without the glue drying out or making my hands messy. Then I use a tweezer to grab each lash by the knot, always the knot. If you grab the lash hairs, it messes up the shape and the whole thing can fall apart. So just gently pinch it at the base, and from there, I'll hold the lash by the hair and dip the tip of the knot into the glue. Just a little dab. You don't need much at all. We're not trying to drown it, just coat the base enough to stick. When I'm ready to apply, I'll always ask my client to look down instead of fully closing their eyes. That slight stretch in the lash line makes such a difference. It helps you get right into that base and place each lash as close to the lash line as possible and blend in with the natural lashes. I start with shorter clusters on the inner corner and gradually build length as I move outward. If I'm going for that lifted cat eye effect, I'll add some longer lashes towards the end. I like to place each cluster close together but not overlapping, and I try to keep all the knots in a neat little line. That's what gives you that polished pro finish. If your client wants more drama at the outer corners, you can definitely layer a few extra lashes there, just don't overdo it. It should still feel balanced. Think lifted, flirty, not heavy or spiky. Once all the lashes are on, I take a clean mascara wand and gently brush through everything. This blends the individuals into the natural lashes and avoids any tangles. Then I go in with a mini lash curler and give it a nice press to lift and set the shape. It just pulls the whole look together. I repeat the same process on the other eye, matching the lash count and length so both sides look even. Then I step back and check symmetry and make any small tweaks if needed. A few quick tips that you can also utilize when doing this technique is that always work in good lighting, use precision slanted tweezers, and let the glue go tacky before applying. It makes everything so much more easier. You can use the same technique but for the lower lashes too if you're wanting a super dramatic look. And if you love learning techniques like this, I help makeup artists refine their makeup skills inside my makeup course. Not just the artistry, but how to actually grow and turn your passion into a thriving business and career. So you can find the link in the description if you want to check it out and enroll. And that's it. Clean, custom, lightweight lashes that make your clients look like they were born with them and doesn't make them fly away. I hope you feel more confident after watching this, and if you did, don't forget to give it a like, leave a comment, and follow me on Instagram at rankharder for more artistry, tutorials, and behind the scenes. You got this, and I'll see you on the next one.